Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur someone's face. We'll be using Gaussian blur and some simple masking and keyframing to track the motion. Let's get started. Here I've got a clip of a woman walking, and let's say we want to blur her face. First, go to the effects panel and search for Gaussian blur. Then drag and drop it onto your clip in the timeline. Next, with your clip selected, go to the effects control panel. Under Gaussian blur, you'll see three mask options: ellipse, rectangle, or free draw. For a face, I'll click the ellipse mask since it's naturally round. Then position and resize it over the woman's face. Now, increase the blurriness slider until the face is fully blurred. Something around 40 to 60 usually works well, but if you think it needs more, feel free to add it. If the edges look too sharp, you can feather the mask a bit to make it blend naturally. Now, because the woman is moving, we need to make sure the blur follows her face. To do that, stay in the FX control panel and click the play icon next to track selected mask forward. Premiere will automatically analyze the motion and move the mask frame by frame. If it loses track, you can also keyframe the mask position manually. Just turn on the stopwatch next to the mask path and adjust the mask every few frames to follow the movement. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.